A fun introduction to the world of matter, plus a quiz session at the end. Let's start. Welcome to the fascinating world of chemistry. Chemistry is the science that helps us understand the matter around us and how it changes. Matter is anything that has mass and occupies space, like water, air, and even the food you eat. Everything in the universe is made of matter, and at the core of chemistry, we study atoms and molecules. What are atoms? Think of an atom as a tiny building block. Atoms are the smallest particles of an element and are made up of three smaller particles: protons, neutrons, and electrons. Protons have a positive charge, plus, neutrons have no charge, neutral, and electrons have a negative charge. These atoms combine to form molecules, which make up everything around us. Imagine a Lego set. Each atom is like a Lego piece, and when you put them together in different ways, you get molecules. What are elements? Elements are pure substances made of only one type of atom. For example, hydrogen, H, is an element made of hydrogen atoms, and oxygen, O, is made of oxygen atoms. There are over 100 elements, and all matter is made from combinations of these elements. The periodic table is like a giant chart that organizes all these elements. It tells us important details about each one, such as how they behave, and how many protons they have. Chemical bonds, how atoms stick together. When atoms come together, they form bonds to create molecules. There are two main types of bonds, covalent bonds and ionic bonds. Covalent bonds, when two atoms share electrons, like two friends sharing a toy, they form a covalent bond. For example, in a water molecule, H2O, two hydrogen atoms share electrons with one oxygen atom. Ionic bonds, sometimes, atoms give away or take electrons, forming ionic bonds. Imagine one atom giving an electron to another like a gift. This happens in salt, NaCl, where sodium, Na, gives an electron to chlorine, Cl, making them stick together. Chemical reactions, changes in matter. In chemistry, a chemical reaction happens when substances, called reactants, change into new substances, called products. For example, when you light a match, the chemicals in the match react with oxygen in the air to produce fire, heat, and smoke. Some reactions produce light or heat, like fireworks, while others can be used to make new materials, like the plastic in your phone case. Acids and bases, different types of chemicals. Acids and bases are two important types of substances in chemistry. An acid is something that releases hydrogen ions, H, when dissolved in water, while a base releases hydroxide ions, OH. You can think of acids as sour like lemons and bases as bitter like soap. The pH scale measures how acidic or basic something is, from 0 to 14. A pH of 7 is neutral, like water, less than 7 is acidic, and greater than 7 is basic. Hope you read basic chemistry concepts thoroughly. Now it's quiz time. Question 1. What is the smallest unit of an element? A. Molecule. B. Atom. C. Neutron. Correct answer, B. Atom. Question 2. What is the charge of an electron? A. Positive. B. Negative. C. Neutral. Correct answer, B. Negative. Well done. Question 3. What happens in a chemical reaction? A. Substances change into new substances. B. Atoms are destroyed. C. Atoms stay the same. Correct answer, A. Substances change into new substances. Question 4. Which of the following is an example of a covalent bond? A. Sodium chloride, NaCl. B. Oxygen gas, O2. C. Water, H2O. Correct answer, C. Water, H2O. Question 5. What is a pH scale used to measure? A. The size of atoms. B. The color of a substance. C. The acidity or alkalinity of a substance. Correct answer, C. The acidity or alkalinity of a substance. Question 6. Which of these is an example of an element? A. Hydrogen. B. Water. C. Salt. Correct answer, A. Hydrogen. Hope you liked the video. To watch more, like, share, and subscribe.